At All Pro Gutter Guards, we provide professional downspout installation services in Harrisburg, PA, designed to protect your home from costly water damage. Our installations are secure, efficient, and aligned to improve your gutter system's overall performance. With All Pro Gutter Guards, you can expect superior workmanship, reliable service, and long-lasting protection for your home. Call our Downspout installation team if you have any questions. Are you looking for a downspout installation near me? You can stop looking. You found All Pro Gutter Guards. Why is downspout installation important? Proper downspout installation ensures that rainwater is directed away from your home's foundation, preventing flooding, soil erosion, basement leaks, and structural damage. Well-placed downspouts also help your gutters perform more efficiently. How do I know if I need new downspouts? If your downspouts are cracked, clogged often, pulling away from the house, or not directing water far enough from the foundation, it may be time to replace them. Excessive pooling around your home is another sign. What is your service area for Harrisburg, Pennsylvania? Our downspout installation has helped clients in Harrisburg, Millersburg, Dauphin, Barrysburg, Elizabethville, Pillow, Highspire, Halifax, Middletown, Lykens, Wickanisco, Gratz, Hummelstown, Grantville, Hershey, Elizabethtown, Palmyra, Campbelltown, Lawn, Dauphin County, Pennsylvania. Where is your Harrisburg, Pennsylvania downspout installation office located? We are located at 2225 Sycamore Street, Harrisburg, Pennsylvania 17111. Our phone number is 717-210-4912. Visit our website, www.appgutterguards.com/Harrisburg-PA.